Is OC.
OC.
Obsessive compulsive.
Yes.
She's very, especially with her Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
It has to be perfect, and she has a separate account to test out if it looks nice with her feet first before she'll put it on her real account.
What is this other Instagram account?
Secret.
Secret. Payag ba kayo secret? Paano namin na-check? Ikaw na nakaka-view nun?
Oh, it's in private. Private siya.
Well, that's interesting May
Sobrang,
interesting.
hindi ko alam sobrang usikan talaga.
Okay lang yun. Ay, alam ni James yun
Alam niya kasi nakikita niya pag magpo-post ako. Is that your account? Sabi ko, yeah. Bakit di followers ko? Hindi, tatanungin niya, explain ko sa kanya.
O yan Papadip ng padip yung kay James. No? Talagang hindi natin alam about Nadine. Now, your turn. Your third fact about James.
He's a night person. He's a night person. Not a morning person. Mas nocturnal siya. So, mas gising siya sa gabi, so umaga.
Tulog lang.
Tulog siya.
Any reason for that, James? Vampire ka ba?
No.
No.
Reason. But that brings me to my fourth fact. Nadine is a morning person. Yes. She's a morning person. In the morning, she's the one at taping. She's always awake, and loud, playing loud music. But at night, I'm the one who's making her connect. So.
Mm-hmm. So, magkaiba sila, no? So they complement each other. Tama ba? Huwag magkaiba. Ganun yun, di ba? Ayan, fourth na yun. Your turn. Nagbabasa.
Wala akong maisip na malalim
Yung mababaw.
Malalim
Yung mababaw lang tayo.
Gusto rin niya yung Japanese culture. Parehas kami.
Talaga? Nagpunta na kayong Japan together?
No. Ako hindi pa siya nakapunta na.
Hindi ka pa nakakapunta. Dadalhin mo ba siya? Are you gonna bring her there?
Dapat last year. So, nung birthday niya last year. Which is...
Malapit na yung birthday. Malay mo sa Sabado, may surprise siya. Surprise.
Maybe.
Ayan. Maybe. May chance ka, girl. Alright, fifth na.
Out of singing, dancing, acting, she prefers to sing.
Bakit?
And she just does.
Ikaw na din.
Actually, performing.
Yeah, mali. Considered ba yun? Pag mali yung fact.
What did you perform?
Huh?
Sing.
You sing and you dance. Know what I do before with my girl group ko before. Kasi dati we sing and dance. So, mas gusto ko yung gano'n.
You could pick singing or dancing.
Okay, fine. Singing.
So, tama pa rin talaga si Jay. Okay, counted na yun. Ikaw naman, Nadine. Next. Fifth na.
Eto, feeling ko matatalo ko, hindi ako sure. Pero, sabi niya dati, ewan ko kung ngayon ganun pa rin, na like wearing yung, what do you call it? Yung grays, whites, na clothes, black.
Color? I don't like color.
Yeah. Basta hindi ka, ayaw mo ng color, sabi mo dati. You always wear white, black, gray. That's what you like wearing.
Is that still valid?
Whoa! Hoy, in an interview you said that.
That was a long time ago.
Kaya ngayon nga sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung nagbago na o kung ganun pa rin.
So, hindi mo alam.
Alam ko, I just don't know if kung iba na. Okay. Hoy!
I play safe with my clothing. I don't usually wear like colors. Maybe yes, just same colors like earthy colors like brown or black or white.
Okay yun sa'yo. Not much, parang loud colors.
This one's like.
Okay na, accepted yun. Oh, now six na. Ayan, konti na lang.
Blue.
So, you're lying sa interview when you said na you don't wear.
Ngayon lang yung realize ni James na gusto rin niya ng blue.
Yun nga, that's why I said, I'm not sure kung ganun ka pa rin or iba na. Just let it go.
Ayan, six na tayo, James.
Is it my turn?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Um,